These are the 10 most expensive suburbs in Brisbane right now in 2024. Number 1, Tenerife. The median house prices here are $3.76 million for a house. In the past 12 months, we saw a 23.6% increase in house values. And renters can expect to pay an average of $1,500 per week just to rent here. Number 2, Chandler. The median house prices here are $2.92 million. With the Brisbane Olympics coming in 2032, they have seen a 20% increase from the last 12 months in capital growth, and the rent is Number 3, most expensive suburb, New Farm. The average price here is $2.62 million to buy a house, and the average rental income you can get is about $1,200 per week. Number 4, Ascot. Average house price is about $2.2 million, kind of cheap, and the average rental income is $1,100 per week, yo. 5, Hawthorne. We're getting cheaper, guys. The average house prices here is $1.96 million. And if you want to walk down this wharf and enjoy the sunset while other rich people walk by, $1,100 a week in rental. Number 6, Hamilton. Average house price is $1.96 million. And if you can't buy a house that faces the ocean and the beach, well, it can face Brisbane River. And renting here is kind of cheap, $950 a week. Easy. Number 7, Palmbell. Average house price is $1.85 million. This is the only suburb in Brisbane about 16 kilometers to the west, which has a big ass Ferris wheel and acres of land. And if you want to rent here, it's about $950 per week average. Number 8, Bulimba. It's about $1.85 million to buy a house here. And like Pullumvale, can't pronounce it, it's about $950 in terms of rental income that you can get. Coming in number 9 is St. Lucia. Average house price is $1.68 million, getting cheaper. If you're an investor, this might be a good place to look at. It's close to the University of Queensland. A lot of university students, overseas students as well. And you can rent it out for... Number 10 on the most expensive list, which comes as the cheapest, is Fig Tree Pocket. You can buy a house here for $1.5 to $1.6 million and with big blocks of land. To be really honest, to buy a big ass house like 5 bedrooms for around $1.5 to $1.6 million with endless greenery like this, access to golf courses, and like only 6 kilometers away from the CBD, man, I'm gonna retire here. Or if not, I can do Airbnb and rent out for $1,000 a week. You want to buy A-class properties? These are the properties to focus on in 2024 that might see another 30 to 40% increase. Jump in the comments, let me know what you think.